This week, we want to talk about how we're gonna make some scratch-built rivets. We take some old sprue and warm it up until it bends from itself. Like this. And then you pull it until you have the diameter that you want. After the plastic cools down, it stays in this shape. Now you cut the end of it and you take your lighter and you just warm up the end of this sprue until it gives a little mushroom. It looks like this. Now you multiply this procedure, in our case 5 times. You take some silver paint and paint the heads. Now we're gonna take those two pieces that we wanna stick together or hold together by the rivets, drill holes in, and next step, you guess, you put in those rivets. Now you can glue them on the other side or basically warm it up on the other side, then it's like real rivets, but that's basically the idea. But this was the tip of this week.